Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're excited to introduce the best animal cookie stamp set you can find, the Animal Cookie Cutters with Plunger Stamp Set. Whether you're an avid baker or just looking to add a little fun to your cookie making routine, this set is perfect for creating animal-shaped treats that are both delightful and delicious. This 8-piece set includes a variety of animals, including a lion, monkey, hippo, elephant, zebra, giraffe, tiger, and panda. Each cutter is paired with a plunger stamper, which allows you to create 3D embossed designs that make your cookies look even more detailed and professional. The animal shapes are fun, safe, and easy to use, making them perfect for both kids and adults. These molds help you shape your cookies effortlessly while also adding intricate details with the plunger stampers. The cookie cutters are made from high-quality, food-grade plastic that is durable and reusable. You can use them for more than just cookies. These cutters work great for soft fruit, bread, and even cheese. They're easy to clean and perfect for a variety of baking projects. Plus, the plunger stamp design means you won't have to worry about making your cookies look flat. With a little pressure, you'll get beautifully shaped cookies with 3D animal impressions. This set isn't just for baking. It's also a fantastic way to make your DIY dessert sessions with family and friends even more enjoyable. Looking for a gift idea? These animal cookie cutters make an excellent gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any party. It's a fun, interactive gift that everyone will enjoy, and it's a great way to share the joy of baking with loved ones. When you're done baking, just give the cutters and stamps a quick hand wash, and they're ready to use again. No fading or deformation, and they'll continue to deliver beautiful cookies for years to come. So if you want to elevate your baking experience and impress your friends and family with adorable, 3D animal-shaped cookies, the Animal Cookie Cutters with Plunger Stamp Set is definitely the way to go. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more great reviews and baking tips.